In the small, unassuming city of Bellflower, California, tucked in a strip mall between a donut shop and a party store, lies a pizzeria that's making waves with its vegan menu. Let's meet the owner and discover the story behind its success.
Hola, mi nombre es Pedro, soy de México, de Oaxaca para ser específico. Soy dueño de Pizza USA ahora. Estuve trabajando desde el 2001 hasta el 2020, hasta que decidí hacer mi pizza shop. Entonces fue muy duro con la pandemia en el 2020, pero gracias a Dios sobrevivimos. Es muy difícil tener un negocio, pero con sacrificio, con mucho esfuerzo, puedes salir adelante. Quise abrir mi pizzería porque yo sabía que sí lo iba a poder hacer, porque ya tenía la experiencia, ya sabía cómo, entonces dije, me animo a hacer mi pizza y agregué veganos porque es más saludable, la gente quiere comer algo más diferente, que no quiere comer carne, queso, entonces decidimos poner veganos y eso nos ha ayudado mucho porque en esta área de Bellflower no hay mucho vegan, entonces ya los clientes están sabiendo que hay vegan y vienen a comprar. La mayoría o el 50% es vegan customer. Y llevo 4 años y aquí estoy.
Okay, I'm beyond excited because I'm here to try Pizza USA's top 5 most sold vegan items. Just so you know, over 50% of the orders they get here, whether it's in person, DoorDash, Uber Eats, etc., it's all vegan. Most of their customers are vegan. The owner eats vegan when he's here all the time. He goes, no, I always like to eat vegan when I'm here at the restaurant. And then the employees, same, they're like, oh, I actually love the vegan options. They have more flavor than the non-vegan options. So I think it's incredible that this is one restaurant where the non-vegan options are actually the minority sales, right? Ooh, shout out to the vegan food. Okay, but what are the top 5 items? We got the Chicago deep dish because here in Bellflower, there's not a lot of deep dish options for pizza in general, much less vegan, so we gotta get the Chicago deep dish vegan. Then we got their traditional pizza crust with half and half white sauce and green one, which is a base of pesto, and it has a lot of green vegetables and herbs. It looks incredible. I love pesto, so I already know I'm gonna love that one. Then we got cauliflower wings, buffalo cauliflower wings. So if you love spicy and you love buffalo wings, you gotta get this. And the baked ziti, because if you love pasta, I mean, this was so recommended to me, and I was like, give me everything. And then of course, we got the pesto chicken sandwich. You guys, I am starving right now, so I cannot wait to try this. So I'm gonna start with the appetizers. All right, so I'm starting with the wings because you got to, fresh out, fried, let's go. By the way, all the house ranch is vegan. Everything is vegan. There's no regular ranch here. The flavor on that buffalo sauce is so good. It's actually not super spicy for me. If you're sensitive to spice, you might think it's spicy. The ranch is so good. People here love the ranch. I'm not really a ranch person, but my friend, when I first started, was like, you have to try the ranch. And I was like, okay, it's actually very good ranch. Already off to a great start. Okay, now we're gonna try the big ziti, you guys. This looks incredible. If you're a pasta lover, you have to get this. Okay, cheers. I'm sorry, I'm gonna need one more bite. If you come here, you better come hungry because you're gonna wanna try a whole bunch of different things. But before I get to the pizzas, we're gonna try the pesto chicken. They use Gardein patties, in case anyone's wondering. I'm a sucker for all things pesto, so pesto fried chicken vegan sandwich, I'm here for it. It is layered with so many things, pesto, vegan chicken, avocado, tomatoes. All right, here we go. I like that they use whole wheat bread. The flavor on this pesto is amazing. I absolutely love it. It has so many good layers. It's a 9-inch sandwich, okay? So just, you know, you can make it 2 meals. If you're really hungry, just eat it all in one go. Okay, so now we're on to the pizzas. Now this Chicago pizza, I mean, look at this crust. It's amazing. A slice is almost a half a meal in itself. You got to make sure the dough is in the perfect pan and has the perfect layer because you don't want too thin or too thick. So it has its art, okay? It has 3 different sauces. It has marinara, margarita, and pizza sauce, vegan cheese, vegan sausage, red onions, peppers, jalapenos. Cheers. Ever since I was a kid, I used to always love deep dish because I love bread. And this is like the perfect, delicious crust. And the flavor is all there. It's so good. Honestly, you can't go wrong with it. It also has its own house-made almond ricotta that they make here. All right, we're not done yet. We're having these pizzas right here. Starting with the green, because it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you, if you love pesto, this is non-negotiable. You need a pesto-based pizza. It's so good. Hold on, I'm taking one more bite. If you can't tell, I'm starving. I came prepared to feast because I knew what was waiting for me here. And then we have a white pizza with olive oil base, lots of delicious vegan melty cheese, house-made ricotta, and garlic. Lots of garlic. Honestly, you can't go wrong here. Everything's amazing. They even have vegan garlic knots, vegan pesto, vegan everything. This is like vegan pizza heaven. And it's in Bellflower, California, which if you don't know where that's at, it's towards the east, right? East of LA. I just love that this is a little pocket of vegan heaven because a lot of people, like mentioned by Pedro, there isn't a lot of vegan options in this neighborhood. So I love that the community has found it and embraced it and they're giving it so much love. They come here all the time. You definitely need to check it out. If you're visiting Los Angeles, it's worth the drive. It's like a 30-minute drive. It's not that it's far. So if you have a car, drive over to Bellflower and make sure to check out Pizza USA because you're not going to regret it. They have tons of other options that I didn't even feature, but these are the top 5 most ordered. So make sure you enjoy. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and tell me which dish you would want to try the most. You won't regret it. If you want to see other videos about vegan food in Los Angeles or around the world, you can check out all my videos up here. So catch you next time on Rated V. Bye.